Hallo zusammen, hier ist der euer Anulu. Herzlich willkommen zu einem neuen Let's Play. Ich glaube, das Spiel muss ich niemandem vorstellen. Wir spielen heute Ghostbusters. Ich freue mich wie ein Morgen drauf. Es ist jetzt gerade neu, ich habe noch keine Minute reingeschaut. Ich habe gedacht, wir fangen jetzt noch zusammen an. Viel Spaß. Echt da. Dann müssen wir mal das Müsli einziehen und mit dem Ghostbusters schlagen. Das ist Hammer. Ja, was machen wir jetzt? Ja, das ist doch gleich. Entschuldigung. Aber wir fangen mal leicht an. Die wir mal schauen.
Are you troubled by strange noises in the night?
You experience feelings of dread in your basement or attic.
Have you or your family actually seen a spook, specter, or ghost? If the answer is yes, then don't wait another minute. Just pick up the phone and call the professionals.
Call the Ghostbusters. We're ready to believe you.
Franchises available soon. Call for details.
Whoa! Russell, hey man.
You near the East Wing?
Yep.
But by the new Ghoster exhibit?
Yeah, why?
There's something headed your way.
Wait. I hear something. I'm gonna take a look.
Want to hear something really creepy? I was reading about Shandor, you know, the guy who donated most of the Gozer stuff. He was into the occult, you know, supernatural. Weird dude.
Well, why don't we talk about it some other time? Any other time. Hey, you can't be in here. Stop!
In the neighborhood. Oh, I got Gänsehaut.
Is your haunting an apparition, poltergeist, phantasm, wraith, banshee, demon, spectre, tortured soul? What? No, we do not summon dead family members and catch them, so you can ask the combination to the safe. Yeah, well, same to you, pal.
Laden. So, wir werden mal schauen, was uns da erwartet. Ich bin ja ein riesen Ghostbusters Fan, mal schauen.
Hey, it's the new cadet. Welcome aboard.
This might be a little dangerous.
Great. Danger is our life.
We'll start at 50% capacity. That should keep any burning or tissue damage to a minimum.
Hey, if you're gonna burn any tissue, do it to the new kid. You can't use Ray. Our mortgage is in his name.
I guess he's right. What's your name again, kid?
No names, Ray. I don't want to get too attached to this kid. You know, just in case.
He's tuned and ready to go.
You may feel a little tingle. Good. We've perfected an extensive and rigorous training regimen that will teach you all your equipment's basic functions.
It takes some time to achieve master throw skill, but it's definitely worth the effort.
Uh-oh.
Was that us?
I don't think so.
Ray?
Yeah.
Had to be some sort of psi energy pulse. Substantial, a significant collected and centralized necromantic convulsion, level 7 or more.
Agreed. We need EMF measurement checks now.
I know the answer, but I'm gonna ask anyway. Is a level 7, whatever, bad or very bad?
On a scale of 1 to 10, I would say...
Let me guess. It's a 7.
Let's just say we're about to get real busy.
And that is not the fun kind of getting busy. Is it, Ray?
Look out! Slimer's escaped again!
No
Okay,
way.
zum
come
Interagieren.
back.
Geht einfach mal eins gamen. Oh nice, da. Ah, das erinnert an die Zeiten. Haben da irgendetwas? Ja.
Let's move.
Nice, kann ich gleich hinjagen? Klaro. Ah, hier ist er.
There it is. It seems oddly drawn to the containment grid.
He's been fascinated with it ever since you added the viewer to the unit. Okay, easy now, Cadet. I'll talk you through this. Use the proton stream to get his attention.
Okay. Aha.
No, not the containment unit. That's some highly sensitive equipment you're disintegrating there, kid. Oops, you let one out.
That's my fault. I was fine-tuning the interstitial gasket this afternoon. I'll
Ja, er hat ja gesagt, ich soll die schießen.
He went into the sub-basement, and his escapee friend went with him. Come on, kid. We got a job for you. Taking the right precautions, Slimer's harmless. More or less. Not sure about the other guy, though. Okay, let's go get him, then. Oh, and don't sweat the containment unit. It's easy to get excited your first time out with the proton stream. Egon will fix it in no time.
Ah, ich glaube, das gehört zur Story. Ich glaube, das... das hättest du nicht können ändern.
Now, first and foremost, before things get out of hand, you want to get to know your proton pack. It can be your best
Slimer, man.
Everything you need to know is displayed on the pack itself. Here's where you keep an eye on your current physical condition. The more green that's on the bar, the more damage you can sustain and still stay on your feet.
Okay.
This bar indicates your pack's heat level. When it gets to the top, you'll want to vent the pack and keep it from shorting out and resetting.
Okay.
For the most part, capturing a ghost is pretty straightforward. We break it into 3 basic steps: sap them, cap them, and trap them. Spectral entities derive all their strength from an accumulation of PK energy. Blasting them with your proton stream or other offensive equipment helps to dissipate that energy. Dissipating their PK energy also makes them easier to capture. There he is! Let him have it! Yeah, that's the stuff! See that overlay on the ghost? It indicates the current accumulation of a ghost's PKE. The more you disperse, the weaker it becomes.
Ja, hij moet dat niet gleichzeitig lesen.
Into the red, cadet. Vent it.
Ah, dan nur die müssen in die Luft. Dan muss ich wieder dran kommen.
Ooh, we lost Slimer. There it is! Ugh, and I thought Slimer was disgusting.
Ah. Okay. Ein Faul scheißt. Okay. Nehmen wir noch einen halben Lebenslauf vom Geist. Wo ist er?
All right, you've got it good and winded. Next stage, cap 'em. You can project the capture stream or wrangler manually, using this control. On the other hand, the pack will detect when a ghost is sufficiently weakened and auto-select the capture stream setting. Get in there and throw a capture stream on that tub of goo.
Jetzt habe ich auch nicht... Jetzt habe ich nicht aufgepasst. Was muss ich machen?
Fantastic, you got it! As soon as your ghost is in your capture stream, the slam meter begins to slowly charge. If you want to accelerate the slam meter charge, you can wrangle or counter-wrangle the ghost at the end of the line. Here's how you do that. Watch the ghost. When he makes a dash in one direction, you pull the stream quickly in the other. Give it a shot! There you go! Perfect! How do you like that, you two-tone pork belly? Make sure your pack slam meter is charged, and let him have it. Kapow! That's right! Now we can move to stage 3, trap it. You're gonna need some place to put that.
Okay.
See the beacon signal coming from the closed trap? That helps you find it when things get crazy. When a trappable ghost moves, whatever you do, keep him in that trap cone.
Oh, dat is nog...
Brought down different ghosts at different rates, but they all flush the same in the end.
Oké,
And there! Oh yes! One escapee accounted for.
dat is nog
and
schwierig.
always remember to retrieve your trap.
Did you get them?
We're batting 500. Slimer slipped out. Our cadet bagged his first one, though. A very nasty customer. Oh, and you've got to be very careful about crossing the streams. In a word, don't do it.
Ja, je weet.
Stings like the Dickens, too.
Nicht die Ströme kreuzen.
Hey, how come this mump gets all the new stuff?
He's our new experimental equipment technician.
He gets a cool title, too?
It means he gets to carry around a bunch of
American.
untested, extremely dangerous hardware that, if not handled correctly, could blow him somewhere into New Jersey.
Oh, this knucklehead lugs around our very dangerous prototype hardware that could potentially blow us into New Jersey. Thanks. Keep the title, kid. It'll work hard for you. Scooter, we need to go. Let's roll.
Oké, ik geloof dus het ouwe. Ouwe niet, hè? wie hat er geheissen? Vigor. Und die so etwas, oder?
What a miserable pile of wheat.
Also dann muss ja das
Hello,
theoretisch
Ghostbusters.
schon ein bisschen später sein, hä?
Where to, Ray?
The Sedgwick Hotel. That's the first place that little spud will go.
Right. Back to its initial manifestation point.
They've got a real good buffet.
It is a great one. When Winston returns from the opera, extend an invitation to join us at our table at the Sedgwick. Hey, you're up, buddy. Training will be on the job tonight. Try not to destroy too many Manhattan landmarks. That's target.
Ah, schönes Logo. Ja, die Ladezeiten da. Was angefangen hat's lustig.
That disgusting green blob is up on the 12th floor again, wreaking havoc. I demand a refund right now.
Sir, if you check the
Ah, das ist der Film, hä? Ja, ja, kennt man.
Invoices.
right invoices, you'll see that your warranty on
Sie
the
macht sich
expired some time ago. You should have taken the extended service agreement.
I'm getting some interesting PKE spikes here. Disturbances don't seem to be exclusive to the 12th floor. I'd like the chance to look around the building a little more.
Good. Dig up what you can. That little greenie shouldn't cause us too much trouble.
Ah, gibt viel zu lesen hier.
Well, hello. You're perfectly safe now, Miss. The Ghostbusters are here.
Back off, loser. Never gonna happen.
Der Bankman.
That approach rarely works with me. I'll show you why later.
Köstlich.
All right, Ace. Get ready.
Dr. Stantz, if you'd do the honors.
Proud to, Dr. Venkman.
Part of our settlement with the city, proton packs must remain off in heavily populated public areas.
And in
Ja,
close quarters.
gescheiter.
It minimizes the city's liabilities and satisfies the restraining order the maid here had put on us.
Where we live in today, you shoot a proton stream of highly charged particles at someone, they get all so happy. It's him! Nice. Now we got another plaintiff.
Ja, das gibt Spuren, hä?
Oh, come on, Ray. I'm the one that gets a face full of slime every time the little green buddy escapes. He doesn't even know me well enough to hate me.
Slimer kann suchen.
Watch it!
Ah, hallo.
Contact!
Oh, hey, 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 hey.
Ow! Jeez!
Ah, da kann man dann sagen, Kontakt.
All right, Showtime. We wear him out, then we capture him. That's what your proton stream is for. You've got him on the run! Come on, let's go! Peter!
Und tschüss.
Nah, I've seen this one already. Know how it ends. You two have fun, though. I'll cover the elevators and escort any ladies safely to their rooms.
Yeah, okay. And this signal looks just like your elusive little targeted entity. Your meter will flash and buzz when it detects a potential signal. The pair of goggles are linked directly to your active PKE meter. This lets you see otherwise undetectable phenomena while you track it. Ghost trails, object auras, all kinds of cool events. Now, when the center bar peaks, you're headed in the right direction. When it's flat, you're following a cold trail. Line the target up with the smallest circle for the best scan. Nope, losing the signal. Way to go! Red signifies a hidden ghost. Green indicates an environmental paranormal anomaly. Blue...
Okay. Du zeigst nicht gerade dran, was du gefunden hast. Okay.
means an active sample.
Ah, ist überall schwach, he? Hey.
Getting warmer. Warmer. Careful. Getting a good scan is sort of like taking a good snapshot. Careful.
Sprengstraalfokussierung. Okay. Nee, nehmen wir. Okay. Hat er jetzt nicht auf den schiessen können?
Take a scan, would you? Whoa, he's definitely been here.
Aha, okay. Ah, wo ist er?
An active sample is something you can collect, like a cursed artifact. We get paid extra for everything we scan and collect. Then we roll it back into research and development. The extra funds let us experiment with new equipment and offensive technologies, which in turn you get to wear on your back to test. Remember, you can always review techniques, tutorials, and equipment in your online Ghostbusters field manual. It's all accessible from your PKE meter.
Ray! I don't feel good!
Peter, come in. You okay? Uh-oh, man down. We've got a man down. Go, go, go! Come on, shake a leg. You can move faster than that, can't you? Double time, cadet!
Okay.
He's been
is
sparring.
volksleimet.
Hustle over here and help him up, will you?
How did this even happen? I was covering the elevators. That mutant Stromboli snuck up on me. God, funked the fire again.
When one of us goes down, we always help each other out. It's all about teamwork.
Oh no, my friend. That was back in the pre-sliming era. Right now, it's all about payback.
You guys need to get down here immediately. Our living science experiment is tearing apart the lobby, and he's not alone.
More ghosts? But we gave this hotel a clean bill of health 5 years ago.
New people die every day.
Call the elevator, Junior.
Und wieder retour.
I'm not taking the stairs. Today's not my cardio day.
Überschnurrt. Steht doch hier. Ah.
All right, Slimer. You've had your fun. The elevator's off limits. Egon, come in. I think we're stuck in the elevator. We need some help.
Think we're stuck. Well, let's see. Think we're stuck? Think we're stuck? Think we're stuck? Ray, you guys good with officially stuck in the elevator?
What a Murray, man.
Here it comes.
Kill it, Ray!
Need a hand?
You always fail me, Ray, don't you?
Oh, zit er nog een
Never
man.
mind the onion head for now. The ghost with the red cap is fighting
Wow.
hard to hold stasis.
Wow.
Come on, he's a New York bellhop. Just
Het zet me meer volkslijmend. Hoe is het?
Keep working!
Keep it going.
Gezoerde kan je. Taak gaat hij. Taak gaat hij.
Hey, watch it.
Taak gaat hij. Wie doet me snel met vouwen werven?
It's on your left.
Met Ah, George. Gang in.
You got it.
Nice.
Got him in the stream.
Und Adi.
Boom, that creep. That convulsive PK shockwave really scared the mess.
geil, man.
Man, this lobby is so wrecked.
Can we please call Winston and tell him his night off is officially ended?
Ja, also ich hab pur Gänsehaut bei diesem Spiel. So. Das ist so geil. Ah, noch mehr. 2 Fluchthafen.
They split up.
Ray, follow me. The others are floating back upstairs. Venkman, you two pull our friend Slimer into a trap as fast as you can. There's a massive bulge in these spikes indicating this isn't just some routine clearing job.
He gets so bossy when he hasn't had his nap. Hey now, is that honey glazed ham and prime rib?
There, the Alhambra Ballroom. No way he could pass that up.
Absolutely not. You can't go in. The Rodriguez bar mitzvah is set to start in half an hour.
I'll bet the beef brisket is today's special.
And you've done quite enough already. I'm sure the theme will just go away. I'm willing to risk it. You're not going in there.
That's all we needed to hear. All right, we're out. Coffee time, everyone. Service has been declined beyond this point.
Stukje te vallen.
The Alhambra's off limits.
The schnutz, you say? Nobody slimes Pete Venkman twice and gets away with it.
Be careful, Peter. Remember the Ellis Island incident?
Wir haben dann noch keine Aktivität auf unserem Gerät.
You bring your apron? We're gonna take a little shortcut through the kitchen.
Überschnurrt.
Alhambra should be right through here. Hello, chef. Okay, champion. You
Ah, ich
lead.
muss. Da ist Geisteraktivität, würde ich jetzt mal sagen. Ja, jetzt muss ich jetzt mal Tabulator drücken. Klasse. Schwarzer Schleim. Ich hoffe, es muss man nicht alles lesen jedes Mal.
Like, don't touch the slime. It's slimy and it's extremely dangerous.
Ich hätte jetzt gelesen, man soll den Schleim nicht anlegen, er sei schleimig. Wow.
I think I'd be used to that stuff by now.
Was da?
Nothing to worry about. Most kitchens have self-starting pilot lights.
Nein, nachher jetzt hört man sie noch schnurren.
Heads up.
Ah, was ist denn das? Nicht. Ätzendes, hä? Okay. Okay.
Okay, I dare you. Everything but the kitchen sink.
Ah, was ist das hier? Hoi, hoi, hoi. Zum Glück kann ich den Raid dabei,
This is
man.
why
Noch nie
I
bei.
can. Alright, check this out. To trap them, you've got to grab them, and to grab them, you use the other half of the proton one, the capture stream.
Okay. Ne. Falsches Knopf. Ach ja. Herr Donner. Ach ja. Ne. Jetzt längt's der Mann. 100.000 Mal den falschen Knopf drücken. Hä? Das schnell jetzt geht heute nicht. Ja no. Es ist einmal Zeit für ein Folgenpäuseli. Ich hoffe, es hat euch auch so Spass gemacht wie mir. Ich hoffe, ihr seid bei der nächsten Folge auch noch dabei. Ja, ich komme. Kleiner Moment. Ich wünsche euch, merci vielmals fürs Zuschauen. Wenn es euch gefallen würde, mich auf einen Daumen hoch freuen. Tschüss zusammen, euch Anulu.